Alright, quick video on this new unused skid steer. This one's got wheels, auxiliary hydraulics in the front. Pretty neat little rig here. Show you how I start it and drive it here in a minute. The gas filler down here. Pretty easy accessible to the motors, to the motor, and all that good stuff right in here. I do like how this just flips right up, so that's pretty cool. So it's chain driven. Got the LED lights. I'm gonna do some night work. Other than that, that's about it. Let me start it up, drive it for a second, and yeah. Auction day 15th, preview 9 to 4. Come on down and check everything out. Thank you.